Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So it's about 9 a.m. Eastern here in US, April 9th. I want to bring you a quick video update on Bitcoin, mainly on the technicals. Talk about some of the resistance point going up and the support level on the retracement. Alright, so before we get started, as usual, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit those notification and those bell icons so you can get this content right away. And if you think these videos are helping you with your trading, with your investing in the crypto market, then do give me a thumbs up. That really means a lot. Alright, that being said, Bitcoin is trading at 92.67 right now. So let's do a quick recap on Bitcoin. Alright, so if you refer back to my previous video on Bitcoin, over the weekend I made a video that Bitcoin is coming to this resistance point around that 10,000 level, and we will see some retracement in Bitcoin, and we need to see like how that retracement holds up and what kind of the next push will be in order to determine the action or like the price action moving forward toward 11,700 level, which is the one that we really need to clear for the longer term trend in Bitcoin. Alright, so right now what we're seeing is we have breached this red trend line that I have been mentioning a lot in the videos. This red trend line is coming all the way. Let me just fix this a little bit. Okay, this trend line is coming all the way for that low that we made back in February, and it found the support from it. It broke it and then found the resistance. So it has this trend line been very, very crucial trend line that we have to really keep an eye on. Last night we actually breached that trend line, and the price action found the support from the another intermediate trend that was acting as a resistance previously. Now it will act as a support. So we found that support from that trend line last night. But what we need to see is we need to make sure that we are closing today's trading day over this red trend line. That's the line in sand, if you will, for trading Bitcoin, especially. We really need to make sure that the price action gets the nice momentum, the volume comes in, and we finishes over this red trend line when we have a follow through, because that will really dictate how we can get out of this 9,400 or 9,000 to 10,000 range. So this 1,000 range that we are sitting in right now, from 9,000 to 10,000, we really need some volume to have the confirmation that we are there are buyers getting into the market and getting us out of this this range, and for the first step is to get over this trend line and the red trend line. We need to finish the day, the candlestick needs to stay over it and finish the day over that into the green. That will be a good starting point, and then we need to have the follow through toward that 9,600 mark and breaking the intermediate resistance, which will be around that 10,000 mark in Bitcoin. Okay, something that let's look at the smaller time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see in the 4-hour, we found the support from the previous resistance trend, and now we have gone over barely on over the red one, but we need to stay over it, and we need to push higher toward that 9,400 and then 9,600 mark. Alright, so that will be something that we really need to look into, and we need to have that sooner rather than later. But overall, I think this is more of a consolidation period. a lot of we need to some of the headline news that we have to watch out for as well, just to make sure that there is nothing overly negative, or as far as the regulation or any exchanges getting hacked or something like that. So to make sure there is no negative news that will a lot of time that also kind of dictates on the price action and how it's getting traded. So keep an eye out for there. Let's look at Litecoin real quick. I was just scanning through some of the coins, and let's look at Litecoin. I will come on Bitcoin just in a little bit, and I'm gonna change that to daily. So Litecoin again is the same thing. It's finding that resistance. It's finding that support from the trend line. We need to this is fine as long. The volume, it's getting there. I see some volume coming through, but as long we can have some push in Litecoin and get it over 166 level, it should be fairly bullish. All right, and this is let's draw this trend line right here, this will provide support for the intermediate. Alright, for Litecoin, so we need to get over 166 for Litecoin, so we can continue going in the north direction for Litecoin. Now for Ethereum is one of the coin that is looking much stronger compared to the big three, Litecoin, Bitcoin. Compared to those two, it's looking much stronger. And if you see those legs on this candlesticks, that's indication that every time that price action is coming down, there are buyers coming in and stepping into Ethereum and taking the price action higher, and that's a very positive sign for Ethereum. So if you are looking into Ethereum, this seems like it got some legs on it, and it can definitely break that 829 level when we get some follow through in the market. Okay, I will cover Ethereum in detail in later videos. Okay, for right now, just to do a recap on the Bitcoin, we need to make sure the price action stays over this trend line, the red trend line, and closes the day over that. That is very important, and make our way toward 9400 and then toward 9600. Okay, for the support, the 8900 is a really strong support level, so we need to make sure that Bitcoin, if we have a retracement, we are holding that 8900 support level. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I will talk to you soon. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll go from there.